Hi there, it's Kerry. I'm making my first video today. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it brings a bit of sunshine to your life at the moment. It's an unboxing and the box I have purchased from Sue at Paper Inspirations. I'll add a link to her page each month since, May, I think. Sue has been sending out boxes that you can purchase on her website. They're mystery boxes and they're amazing. So far they've been really lots of fun with beautiful goodies for you to add to your junk journals. As you can see, this is the November box and I haven't actually opened it. I got it at work this morning, so we can open it together. Let's hope you enjoy. You'll notice that on each of Sue's boxes she has these beautiful collages with the month that she's done them. So, and her colour is pink, so the boxes can either be taken apart where you can gently take the collage off and use them in one of your junk journals, or you can keep the boxes and store all sorts of things in them. So yeah, let's go. In each of the boxes you'll find a letter. I'll read my letter later. It's normally just what's been happening in the Paper Inspirations life, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll read that later. These boxes are always beautifully presented. You'll also find in each box some beautiful, yummy marshmallows. And normally there's either a tea or coffee. Oh, yum, Rooibos. My favourite tea. Thanks, Sue. Always look forward to see what we get. As I said, each box is always beautifully presented and each item is beautifully wrapped. And she goes to so much trouble. They're all individually done. And yeah, so very exciting always. Now I will need to have things to open these with, so just try and make it so that you can reuse the packaging. Let's see what happens with this one. I might have to tear this one, unfortunately. Scissors. Snip it like this and I can use it somehow later on down the track. The effort Sue puts in is really amazing always. There you go. Now in each box there'll always be a stamp. They won't always be identical, but this week I've got, this month, the stamp I received is this lovely fern leaf stamp. Can't wait to use that. I'll put that aside. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. We've also got some archival ink, Wild Honey. Yeah, that'll come in handy. Put that up there. As you can see, more beautiful packaging. Little white tissue bag. So I'll just cut this very carefully up the top. Oh, lovely. So inside that I can use now in an album, in a junk journal if I like, is some, looks to me, I should put my glasses on. Don't know where to put them. I've got 2 pairs, I was just saying to do this morning. 2 pairs on my table. Let's put those on, have a look. They look like washi petals. Just open that and have a quick look. Gorgeous, look at that. Oh wow. Yep, so they're washi, like washi tape, but petals. I don't know if you can see that. That's one little petal, so you can just put one or more petals on your page. Like that. Then there's a, oh, she's done a gorgeous, oh, I don't know, pull that apart. Gently slice that. A wax seal. And then there's a whole lot of tickets. Beautiful, look at that, it's gorgeous. All different types of tickets. Now, these might even be stickers. Yep, I think they're stickers. Not sure. Could be stickers. Or they might just be card. No, I think they're card. They're stunning though. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. They're gorgeous. Birds. Paris. Music. Alphabet. Flowers. More birds. Just lovely. Dressmaking ones. People. Sorts of different, and they're nice, they're actually quite thick, that's why I thought they might have been stickers. They're gorgeous. There you go, there's some more. Now that's some fabric, so 2 different fabrics that can be used, and as you can see, again, it's not just 2 pieces of fabric put in, she's actually wrapped that in with a nice little sticker put on, so it's just so beautifully presented. We have another paper sack. Put my rubbish away. Some beautiful stickers. Upside down. There you go, just some lovely gold trim. They're like, look like vellum stickers. Feel like vellum stickers with a bit of gold trim in different florals. There you go, it's a bird. Butterfly, lovely. Yep, they've vellum. You can see the, oh, they're gorgeous. Look at that beautiful butterfly. All flowers, a leaf. That's lovely. Gorgeous. Garden diary. Oh, mushroom. So a whole lot of little stickers. Vellum stickers. envelope. More stickers on it. Oh, these are gorgeous. 4 sheets. They're lovely. Flower Shop, Love Story, Winter Moon, black as a colour, Queen Mary. There you go. And they are absolutely gorgeous. They are just stunning. Really lovely. So that's included as well. Move this over so we've got a bit more room to show off all the gorgeous goodies in the box, because there's more. There's more to come. Now, I'm hopeless when it comes to making sure that I don't can use my, sorry about stretching, reuse my as much of the items in the box as possible. I'm actually going to undo the staple. It's holding this doily in place. Just actually put some gold foil or something or paint on the doily. It's very simple but very effective. And Sue will nearly always include some base items, so like either plain tags, or as you see here, she's put some doilies in, so that if you just get the one box and it's your first time doing journaling, or you don't have many craft supplies, you can just use the items in the box to make something really pretty. There's more, a bit of fabric that she's made into a ruffle. Now I don't want to cut anything by accident. I'm actually going to try, just open that there, make sure that it seems very full. Now if you buy one of Sue's boxes, one per month has got a special prize in it. I believe it's, don't quote me, I believe it's to, I'm not sure what the price is. I think it's to receive the next month's box for free, so it's always a good idea. Oh, look at that, a bag full of ruffles. These are all hand sewn by Sue, or her mum. Her mum sometimes does them. They're beautiful. So they won't be exactly the same as the ones I have. They'll be similar, because obviously they're made from cut-offs, but that gives you a variety of different fabrics. Stunning. Oh, lovely. I love her ruffles. Come in so handy. Put on the side of a page, or at the bottom or top of a page, on a tag as a tag topper. Yeah, all sorts of things you can use those for. And last but not least, oh, some beautiful, now look how lovely that's wrapped. So just slide it out. I know exactly what that is. Sue's stunning. Sue makes lace paper, coffee dyed or tea dyed lace paper, and plain paper. And this is some A4 plain paper. We can all use plain paper, whether you use it to back tags or back postcards, or whether you use it actually folded in half as a page for your journal. Can be used for all sorts of things, or as a flip. But her papers are really lovely. You can go and have a look. She sells them in the shop as well, in A4s, A5s. She also sells coffee dyed tags and stuff. So this is the contents of the November box. Very exciting. I'm so chuffed that I managed to get there today and pick it up. And I'm going to hopefully start actually making stuff with the boxes that I've received, that I've purchased since Sue started making them. And as you see, she tries to make it so that all the items in the box are usable, so that you can actually use them in your junk journals or on cards or whatever your craft is that you like to use. So ladies, I hope, and gentlemen, if there's any watching, I hope you enjoyed my first video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.